Alright, hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm basically gonna show to you guys the unboxing of the new Converse. I mean, it's not really new, it's actually old. I've been wanting this pair for like 3 years now. So finally I got myself the Comme des Garçons Converse sneakers. I really wanted these shoes like goddamn 3 years, and I finally was able to cop this. So let's get into it. So I've actually worn this a couple of times already. I worn it the day I got it, actually, which I received today. So yeah, this is the tag that was attached to the shoe, but I'm just showing to you guys what it is and everything. Really nothing too special, but here is the thing. Here is the Comme des Garçons shoes, man. This thing is pretty fly. I like the way it looks. On camera, I think you can kind of see what it kind of looks like. The cream bottom, it's creamy in person, so it's kind of like off-white, or basically like the classic Converse where it's kind of off-white type of color. So as you can see, you have the Comme des Garçons logo here, which really makes this thing so worth it. And we even have the stitching here, an extra stitching here, but yeah, you still have this classic Comme des Garçons logo here. And at the back, you even, as you can see, there's even this white stripe. As you can see, you can really see the difference of the regular white and the creamy bottom. There's actually the logo of the Converse there, as you can see, Chuck Taylor. On the other side of the shoe, still have the classic silhouette. As you can see, you have the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star logo, and you have another extra stitching here. This is basically the laces. As you can see, it's cream as well, and are off-white. Going inside, there is the Comme des Garçons logo, where is really looks good and really stands out. So basically, I'm actually going to show to you guys both of the shoe, then I'm going to do an on feet. As you can see, this is the two shoes, and man, it really looks good. I don't know what to say. I mean, these are definitely the nice classic silhouette shoe that I always wanted. I'm not really into shoes as much, but you know, from once in a while, I really want something that you know, kind of stands out a bit. I'm not really into shoes, into Jordans or Nikes as much, but once I seen this nice classic silhouette like these Comme des Garçons here, man, I couldn't resist myself. So yeah, I'm gonna do an on feet so you guys can actually see how it looks on feet.
I'm just a ticking time bomb. I thrive in the self-destruction, and it's just a matter of time before I start.
So basically, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video on the Comme des Garçons Converse sneaker. It's a really overall comfortable shoe. I worn it once, but man, I'm really liking the shoe. It's really comfortable. And is it worth the price? I believe so. I mean, it's really comfortable. It looks good. That logo really stands out. And the creamy midsole and the tie, man, it really makes it worth it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and share, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.